This is only a hold.
Right.
Fighting is always the waist.
Right.
Here. Hold me. Here. Stand here. No, just stand here to hold me. It's not here. Hold.
Slack out first.
You feel that?
Yeah.
Because otherwise you're all here.
Right.
See, you guys do a lot of moves like this.
Right.
It has to be here. Very strong here. Imagine I'm fighting your arm. Feel this. Feel that?
Yeah.
Now, right? See, watch.
Right.
Right? Now hold my waist. I'm using my waist like that. The arm is not strong enough. 你做的动作那是，你看。This is the arm strength. Once I use, let's go from here. Once you use here, this is very loose, because as soon as you power up, as soon as I power up, I'm hollow, totally loose. Only here, watch, pump. Bad. Hold me. 别 Go 别 Yeah. Bad. Oh, yeah. You feel that power? Yeah. All from here.